Credit Karma lets you dispute credit report errors directly through TransUnion or Equifax without mailing letters, but the actual investigation is handled by the credit bureaus, not Credit Karma itself. By the end, you'll know exactly how to file a dispute inside Credit Karma, what happens after you submit it, and how to increase the chance of getting incorrect items removed. Start with the key fact. Credit Karma is only the middle tool. The real dispute process happens with TransUnion or Equifax, depending on which report the error is on. Now, explain what that means. When you submit a dispute in Credit Karma, it forwards your request to the correct credit bureau. That bureau is responsible for contacting the lender, reviewing your claim, and updating your credit report if the information is wrong. Now go step by step through the process. First, open the Credit Karma app or website. Go to the credit report section for either TransUnion or Equifax. Scroll through your accounts and look for the item you think is incorrect, like a late payment, account balance issue, or duplicate account. Now explain the next action. Tap on the item and select the option to dispute it. Credit Karma will ask you to choose a reason, such as incorrect balance, not my account, or outdated information. Pick the reason that best matches the error you're seeing. Now, explain what happens after submission. Once you submit the dispute, the credit bureau investigates by contacting the lender or checking their internal records. If the lender confirms the information is wrong or cannot verify it, the item can be corrected or removed. Now explain timing in a safe way without guessing numbers. The review process does not happen instantly. You'll need to wait for the credit bureau to complete its investigation before seeing changes reflected in your report. Now explain a common mistake. Many people only dispute the item once and stop there. If the issue comes back or is not updated, you may need to submit additional documentation or follow up directly with the credit bureau. Now give practical improvement tips. Be specific when selecting your dispute reason. Use supporting evidence like statements or account screenshots if available, because stronger documentation improves how easily the bureau can verify your claim. Now summarize the key points. Credit Karma sends disputes to TransUnion or Equifax, not directly to lenders. The credit bureaus handle the actual investigation and decision. And strong documentation improves your chances of getting incorrect items corrected. One practical next step. Before submitting your dispute, double-check your original account statements so you can match the exact error with clear proof. If this helped, subscribe for simple credit fixes and walkthroughs without confusion or legal jargon.